Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 ways to fix the Instagram repost button if it's missing. So if you can't find the repost option on posts or reels, just follow these steps and you should be able to solve the problem. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. Open the Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're on iPhone. Search for Instagram and check if there's an update button. If you see it, tap on Update and wait for it to finish installing. Once the update is complete, open Instagram again and check if the repost button is now available. Next, we're going to check the sharing settings inside the Instagram app. Go ahead and open Instagram, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom. After that, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner to open the menu. Scroll down a little and find the section about how others can interact with you. Tap on Sharing and Reuse, and make sure the options for reposting posts and reels are turned on. If any of these toggles are off, simply enable them. Then go back to your home feed and check if the repost button appears. If that didn't work, the next thing you can try is changing your account type. To do this, go back to your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines menu to open Settings. Scroll down and look for the section about For Professional. Tap Account Type and Tools. From here, you can switch your account type. For example, if you're currently using a business account, try switching to a personal or creator account, or the other way around. After switching, completely close the Instagram app, reopen it, and check if the repost option shows up. Another thing to keep in mind is that not every post can be reposted. Some users upload posts or reels with the repost feature disabled. Also, the repost option usually works only with public accounts. If the account is private, the repost button won't appear. So if you don't see the repost option on a specific post, that could be the reason. And finally, if nothing else works, you can report the issue to Instagram. Go to your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines, scroll down to More Info and Support, then tap Help, and then tap Report a Problem. Then tap on Report Problem without shaking. Tap Include and Continue. From there, you can let Instagram know that the repost feature is missing from your account. And that's it. Those are 5 ways to fix the missing repost button on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.